August kicked off with a congressional debt hostage situation, federal credit downgrade, stock market insanity, with an earthquake and a hurricane thrown in to finish it all up. So how did all this craziness affect our real estate market? Hi, this is Bruce Lemieux with your September market update for Montgomery County real estate. Luckily for us, the earthquake and Hurricane Irene were non-events. However, the debt situation and subsequent stock market gyrations clearly had a negative impact on the outlook of all of our buyers and sellers. How it affect the market in total? Let's take a look at the numbers. Here's a total number of the contracts from March to the end of August last year, and let's take a look at contract activity for this year. Total number of contracts during these two periods was down 3.3%. Now last month when I took this snapshot we were down 2.7%, so we're trending negative. However, there's something else going on here that we'll see if we compare this month's snapshots to last month. These snapshots are based on homes that have sold or have gone under contract summarized by contract date. If all homes under contract successfully go to settlement, the historical count of contracts would be the same in each snapshot every month. But they aren't, so what's going on? Let's look at contracts for July. In August there were 992 homes under contract or sold that went under contract in July of 2011. When I took this, 185 had actually closed and 807 were in a contract status. In this month's snapshot, there were only 936 homes sold or under contract with a July contract date. 614 had closed and 322 remain in a contract status. Do the math, and 56 contracts from July, or 7%, dropped out. As more of these contracts fail to close, this number will go higher next month. So what does this mean? It means that contracts simply aren't closing. Banks are not processing short sales, buyers are having trouble getting financing, and we're also seeing a lot of buyer remorse. So even though interest rates are super low, home values have come down, the headwinds of very low buyer confidence, and the banking industry are still working against the recovery of the market. Now let's take a look at these contracts relative to price range. We can pretty much see the same trends this month that we saw last month. More activity on the entry level of the market due to distressed sales and bank-owned properties, and a little more activity on the very upper end of the market. However, the upper end of the market is clearly cooling off as we take a look at this month's snapshots. Now let's take a look at areas within Montgomery County. This period's stats indicate lower home prices in all of these areas. In these areas, contract volume is lower, but prices have been stable. And these areas have stable or rising prices. Lastly, Potomac and Chevy Chase continue to have much lower contract volume but at much higher average list prices. Next month I will dig into these areas in more detail to see what's going on. So that's your market update for Montgomery County in September. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to have them. Just make a comment below. Hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.